Imagine cruising across the United States in a motorhome so futuristic, so luxurious, that it makes even five-star hotels look ordinary. What if I told you Bugatti, yes, the legendary French automaker behind the Chiron and the Veyron, has created a motorhome that redefines what luxury living on the road means? Welcome to the 2026 Bugatti Luxury Motorhome, the ultimate blend of hypercar performance, cutting-edge technology, and the comfort of a private mansion. This is not just an RV. It's a lifestyle on wheels built for those who accept nothing but the best. Today, we're going to explore every corner of this jaw-dropping creation. The exterior, the interior, the performance, the lifestyle features, and of course, the price tag that matches its royal status. Exterior design, a hypercar DNA in a motorhome. From the outside, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome looks like something straight out of the future. Designed with Bugatti's signature curves and aerodynamics, this isn't a bulky RV. It's a rolling work of art. The iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille dominates the front. Laser-cut LED headlights shine like diamonds on the road. The body is built from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, keeping it strong yet efficient. 28-inch alloy wheels feature the famous Bugatti EB logo at the center, never spinning out of place. Retractable glass panels expand into balconies at the push of a button. It's not just an RV parked at a campsite. It's a showstopper wherever it goes. Interior, a mansion on wheels. Step inside, and you'll immediately see why this Bugatti motorhome is called the most luxurious in the USA. The interior is inspired by Bugatti's hypercar cabins, but expanded into a home that feels like a private luxury penthouse. Living area. The lounge features Italian leather sofas with massage functions, handcrafted carbon fiber tables, and panoramic windows for uninterrupted views of the Grand Canyon or Malibu Beach. A hidden 85-inch OLED TV rises on the floor, paired with a studio-grade surround sound system. Kitchen. This is not your average RV kitchenette. The Bugatti kitchen is a chef's paradise with Italian marble countertops, smart induction cooktops, voice-controlled refrigerator and wine cellar, hidden storage compartments that open with fingerprint recognition, bedroom suite. At the rear, the master suite includes a king-size bed with adaptive memory foam, panoramic glass, ceiling for stargazing, and full climate control. Bugatti even added a customizable scent diffuser to keep the atmosphere as luxurious as a Parisian spa. Bathroom spa. The bathroom rivals luxury hotels, with a rainfall shower, heated stone floors, gold-trimmed faucets, and even a digital mirror that doubles as a smart display for weather, news, or entertainment. Smart technology. Travel made effortless. Bugatti integrated some of the most advanced technology available today. AI assistant. Controls everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment and security. Augmented reality dashboard. Projects road and weather data right onto the windshield. Satellite internet. Keeps you connected anywhere in the USA, whether you're in New York City or deep in Yellowstone National Park. Advanced security. Facial recognition entry, biometric locks, and 360-degree surveillance cameras. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling smart mansion. High-voltage performance, Bugatti power on the road. A Bugatti wouldn't be a Bugatti without mind-blowing performance. And this motorhome doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a hybrid W16 engine paired with electric motors, delivering nearly 1,500 horsepower. That's right. Your motorhome has more power than most supercars on the road today. Top speed, limited to 150 miles per hour for safety, but capable of more. 0 to 60 miles per hour, to 6.5 seconds, unheard of for an RV. Range, over 1,000 miles on a combined tank and charge. Suspension, adaptive system ensures the smoothest ride, whether on highways or mountain roads. Driving this motorhome isn't just smooth, it's thrilling. Globe showing Europe Africa lifestyle features, royalty on the move. Bugatti designed this motorhome not just for travel, but for living like royalty. Outdoor cinema, a retractable 100-inch screen with surround sound for movie nights under the stars. Private office, complete with leather executive desk, holographic display, and espresso machine. Expandable living space. The side walls slide out to double the width when parked, creating the space of a luxury apartment. Bugatti Concierge. 24/7 service to arrange restaurant bookings, helicopter rides, or yacht rentals at your destination. This isn't camping. This is luxury travel at its finest. The price, luxury has no limits. Now let's talk about the cost. The 2026 Bugatti luxury motorhome starts at $3.5 million. With customization options like diamond-stitched interiors, rare exotic woods, or even gold-plated accents, some models can reach over $5 million. For most people, that's unimaginable. But for Bugatti's exclusive clientele, Hollywood stars, tech billionaires, and global royals, it's the ultimate status symbol. Pushpin why it's the best in the USA. Why is the Bugatti Motorhome being called the best luxury motorhome in the USA? Because it combines three things no other RV can. Hypercar performance, unmatched power and engineering, luxury lifestyle, interiors that rival the world's best hotels, cutting-edge technology, making travel effortless and secure. It's more than a motorhome. It's a statement of success. The 2026 Bugatti luxury motorhome is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making the journey as extraordinary as the destination. From the outside, it's a futuristic masterpiece. On the inside, it's a mansion on wheels. And under the hood, it's pure Bugatti power. So, if money were no object, would you live and travel in this Bugatti motorhome? Tell me in the comment below. I'd love to hear your dream road trip destination in this $5 million palace on wheels. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more luxury motorhome and hypercar reviews. Because this is more than travel. It's living like royalty on the open road.